Well, we are coming live from Minnesota with the JW USA. This is what is happening right now, folks. Um, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel and follow us along right here as we are working and getting this system arranged. And we talked about it, guys, how to reposition our MEART Magnum advanced router, or remote. And you guys can see this is what we're doing. All the tools on the table, and we trying to rearrange where the outback's gonna be and where the Magnum product's gonna be. So I just drill a hole right there. You guys can see how everything is come to play. You can see right there the hub is already up here. The outback hub is now the hub for the MEART. That's for the Magnum, and this wire is gonna be off the way. You guys can see right there. That's where this guy is gonna be, the Mate 3, and that goes the FNDC FlexNet DC. As you guys can see, the flash in here is the BMK, which is battery monitor kit. It's almost the same as this one. They do the same function, which is the FlexNet DC. Okay, live here at the command center of the JW Solar USA. So we're trying to arrange mixed space, and I want to thank everyone who has contributed or participated in this one whole thing, given ideas where this stuff's supposed to be going. And guys can see the communication. You see the wires, all the yellow is already plugged in, and I'm just trying to do the arrangement. I'm not talking about rewiring. That's going to be another video, how to set up the MEART to link the two inverters, the magnesigns, and I gotta have all these PT100 here already. They're all gonna be hooked up into the system. The BMK, the flashing device back there, you see flashing, and that's all gonna be hooked up into that. Then I'll make a video about that, telling you how everything is going. So for all the good guys who have participated, Cedric and off-grid wannabe solar, and Maximus, and with DIY Solar Homestead, and all the other guys who contributed into these the support, trying to give ideas where I supposed to install this thing. You guys can see on that corner right here, this is why Cedric was talking about to put a plywood on the back there and trying to get everything set up to hold the thing like an extension. And I think Osmos Maximus says the same thing. And I want to give it to Oliver. He just said, you know what to do. That's a short answer. I like that. He said, you know what to do. You know where to go, where the thing's supposed to go, something like that. Guys, this is what I just like it when you guys participated, but I hope you guys don't discourage and where I end up putting the system, and I hope you guys can like it. You will like it, and just stay tuned and see. Let's enjoy the fun, because I want you guys to be part of this. And the shout out I'm gonna give is to Oliver. He said, you know what to do. Because like I know the answer, but like I'm asking you guys to give your opinion. This is the thing that I want you guys to be part of these, and I want you guys to participate. And exactly, but I really appreciate all the comments. So I was thinking about it. I look at all you guys comment, and I saw and I want to give a shout out to my brother from the Caribbean, Earl, and thank you guys and everybody, and always coming there, Yankee 4, He got a new name now on his channel, Homestead something. But Wannabe, Off-Grid Wannabe, and Awesomus Maximus, Cedric, and all these guys always come up with awesome comments, and especially Cedric always crack me up. But check on these guys' channels and go back and subscribe to them. DIY Solar Homestead and Southeast Ohio, and Jeff Berg, something Homestead. So check these guys' videos and go back and give them some love. Tell them jwsolarusa sent you. Live from Minnesota, jwsolarusa. Guys, this is what it is. The setup, the Outback, the Magnum, the hub, the mate, the MEARTR, where the FleckNet DC, FNDC is all installed right there. So look at the space I created over there. And guys, you see what I'm talking about. It's almost ramping up, finishing up this project. And this is what it is. And this is what it is. So I just want to show you guys, and this is how the system is set up. And I hope you like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for all you guys input towards the this option I was trying to do. And you guys came up with a brilliant answers and all the stuff. For all you guys that don't even participated on this thing, love you guys, and make sure trying to be part of this sometime. So this is how we bond together. This is how I know you guys are with me on this channel, and this is how we go about stuff here at the jwsolarusa. 8.544 kilowatt. This power wall is the one running. Let me show you the condition outside. This is how cloudy it is out there. It's cold outside, it's windy. It's just on the window. It's really dark. As you can hear, we're pulling power from the Hamilton Beach. Okay. See the indication. And the water is about to boil. See that? And we pull in that, the freezer, the fridge, and everything is running simultaneously. So we're making hot water for tea at 1.7 liters, and the system is not connected to solar right now. Just want to show you. This is the beauty of being independent of grid. FTA satellite is doing pretty good. If you haven't seen the video, check it out. Still don't pay for no cable company. Don't pay for electricity. You don't pay for cable company. And this is what it is. Guys, it's dark. It's cold. I feel like winter again. Live in Minnesota, jwsolarusa. Thanks for watching. So I rearranged everything what I was asking you guys for, and thanks for your support. I ended up doing it on the corner right here. This is what it is. All these guys gonna be here. Those are communication wires. I'll be coming with a video to show you guys everything. That's what it is. The water is almost boiling. We gotta go back there before the tea kettle kicks. I can probably feel it that it's gonna do it soon. What's the state of charge now? 88 from 90. Let's go check it out. It's steaming. You guys can see the steam. It's gonna boil. It's getting there. Off-grid solar. No sun. No nothing. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. There you go. It's ready for tea. Thanks guys for watching. Love you guys all. This is how you do off-grid solar system. Independent power, independent solar, independent FTA satellite as cable. The only thing I'm not independent yet is the internet. I don't know. That's kind of tough call. Yeah. But anyway, this is what it is. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. You can hear the refrigerator in the background. Hear that? Bye for now. Like and subscribe. jwsolarusa. Thanks for watching.